Every time you flush the toilet or wash something in your sink and lavatory, sewage is created, also called the wastewater. That's why there is a sanitary drainage system. What is a sanitary drainage system? It is a system of piping within the public or private premises that removes effluent discharge from plumbing fixtures to an approved point of disposal. There are 7 essential parts of the sanitary drainage system. The waste pipe conveys only liquid waste free of fecal matter. Vent pipe is used for ensuring the circulation of air in a plumbing system and relieving negative pressure on trap seals. Next is the trap that prevents the backflow of foul air or methane gas without materially affecting the flow of sewage through it. Stack is the vertical main of a system of soil, waste, or vent pipes. Branch is any part of the piping system other than a main, riser, or stack. Building drain that receives the discharges from soil, waste, and other drainage pipes in the lot area. The next part is called the building sewer that is located outside of the house or the lot area. Before the sewage goes to the building sewer, it will now go to the septic tank. What is the purpose of septic tank? It is used to break down the sewage so that it becomes effluent through the action of bacteria living on the waste matter. How does it work? A septic tank has a simple design. It is an underground watertight container, mostly rectangular or round, that is made of fiberglass, plastic, or concrete. The tank is connected with 2 pipes, the inlet and outlet. The inlet pipe collects the water waste in the septic tank, long enough that the solid and liquid waste is separated from each other. The outlet pipe, also called the drain field, moves out the pre-processed wastewater from the septic tank and spreads it evenly in the soil and water courses. After a while, the wastewater separates in 3 layers. The top layer is oils, grease, and floats above all the waste. This is called scum. The middle layer is the wastewater along with the waste particles. The bottom layer consists of heavier particles that are heavier than water and form a layer of sludge. Inside the tank, bacteria from the wastewater breaks down the solid waste. These bacteria decompose the solid waste rapidly, allowing the liquids to separate and drain away more easily. Note that the size of waste pipes or soil pipes depend on the amount of waste it carries. And now, we're gonna talk about how sanitary sewage system works. First, sewage is pumped from structures like buildings and homes through pipes that transfer the waste in order to separate large objects from the sewage water. Large items include plastic, logs, and other materials. Next is the mud, sand, and smaller materials will go in a grit chamber. These materials are retrieved over time and taken to a local landfill for proper disposal. Sewage then flows into tanks where solids in the wastewater will separate into sludge and water. The sewage water then transferred to a treatment plant where oxygen is added to the water to promote the growth of microorganisms. These microorganisms consume the leftover waste and settle into the bottom of the tank. At this point of the process, almost 90% of human waste, solids, and chemicals have been removed from wastewater. The remaining water will now be disinfected and filtered into local lakes or oceans. Remaining sludge is processed in sludge digesters that kills bacteria. The sludge will be transported to a plant where it is dewatered, dried, and converted into fertilizer. Sewer systems play an important role in sanitation and disease prevention. It must be properly operated, maintained, and to be treated before it can be disposed to protect groundwater and other drinking water sources. Therefore, to improve health, it is essential to develop a sewer system to manage in the community wastewater. And that ends our presentation. Thank you for watching!